Welcome back. On this live example, what we're going to do, we're going to insert examples in specific places inside of our document. So what we're going to do here is we're going to then place our cursor here. We're then going to click enter. You'll see there that we have our draft with CoPilot. We're going to click on draft with CoPilot. And what we're now going to do is we're going to ask CoPilot to create an example for the first two paragraphs for the preceding section. What we will now do is we will click generate. And we will expect that Microsoft Copilot will then write our example. We can refine this example, but for the sake of this video, we're going to keep that example. We're then going to accept the changes. You're going to notice here that this document has a blue diamond. We can click on top of that blue diamond. And what you'll notice here is that what we can do is we can add some kind of visual emphasis to specific text. For example, if you want to have a pull quote of some kind, you can do it. And we're just going to accept the change. What we're now going to do is we're going to go to another section of our document, and we're going to ask Microsoft Copilot to write in an example. And we're going to click generate. And we expect that Microsoft Copilot will then provide an example as we have asked it to do. And for the sake of this example, we're going to keep it, and we're going to close up our gap. What we now want to do is we may want to have Microsoft Copilot to rewrite a section. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to highlight the entire section. We're going to click on Microsoft Copilot, and we're going to ask Microsoft Copilot to rewrite this section. And we will get Microsoft Copilot to rewrite a section of our document. We can either have Microsoft Copilot to insert the content or to just replace what we've asked it to replace. And we're going to replace our content. So basically now what is going to be a new document. What we can now do is we can reevaluate our document based on the new standard. And you'll see now that Microsoft Copilot will then reevaluate our document based on this new standard. And of course, we would then make any necessary changes in order to get our document to be the best that it can in terms of the style that we have chosen. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.